Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is one of a series of human resource management presentations. Therefore, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos to come. Introduction to human resource management. Background. People are the foundation of any organization. In social context, organizations need people and people need organizations. Simply, the overall management of such personnel in an organization is called human resource management. What are the human resources? People become human resources when they are involved with any organization with their physical strength, knowledge, and skills. Definition of human resource management. Human resource management is a process concerned with the management of people along with their knowledge, skills, and competencies for the achievement of organizational objectives. Purpose of human resource management: to generate and retain an appropriate and contented, in other words, happy labor force, which gives the maximum individual contribution to the organizational success. The goals of HRM: support the organization in achieving its objectives by developing and implementing human resources strategies that are integrated with business strategy. Contribute to the development of a high performance culture. Ensure that the organization has the talented, skilled, and engaged people it needs. Create a positive employment relationship between management and employees, and a climate of mutual trust. Encourage the application of an ethical approach to people management. Evolution of human resource management. There were many welfare issues and industrial accidents during the Industrial Revolution. Therefore, a welfare officer was appointed to look after the welfare issues. Welfare officer job was evolved as the labor manager by adding more administrative duties such as discipline, salary administration, keeping personal records, etc. The personal manager job was evolved with the focus on maintenance of all personal and administrative systems. HR manager is primarily concerned with ensuring the fulfillment of organizational objectives and at the same time ensuring that the needs of the people are taken care of. HR business partner works directly with firms' senior leadership to develop and direct HR policies that closely supports organizational goals. Human capital management. Today, people are treated as part of the organization's capital. In line with human capital theory, the investment in people adds to their value to the firm, basically hiring and developing more talented staff by extending their skills. Duties of a human resource manager. Human resource manager plays three main duties: a line function, directing the activities of people in his or her own department; the coordinative function, coordinating personal activities, that is called functional authority; staff function, assisting and advising line managers, which is called employee advocacy role. These are the functions of human resource management, basically from recruitment of employees to retirement. All the human resource management functions are called human resource management functions. So therefore, job analysis, human resource planning, selection, placement, performance appraisal, negotiation, recruitment, compensation, training, discipline, all sub-functions are under the functions of human resource management. The advisory functions. Advisory functions mean providing advice to top-level management, in the formulation of human resource management policies. Professor Dave Ulrich, according to Professor Dave Ulrich, human resource managers in the contemporary organizations play four roles, namely change agent, administrative expert, strategic partner, and employee advocate. Change agent means whatever the change in the organization, the human resource manager should be the agent and support the change process. Administrative expert, being an expert in enhancing the administrative efficiency of the organization. Strategic partner, managing the human resources for supporting the strategic goals of the organization. Employee advocate, supporting the employees, listening to their voices, their grievances. Models of human resource management. To explain how human resource management functions in an organization, different models are used, which was developed by different researchers. Out of the models of human resource management, two popular models are Michigan School Model and the Harvard School Model. Michigan School Model. Here, the logic of Michigan School Model is that all the human resource management policy areas are linked together as a total system. For example, performance management is linked with employee rewards, employee development, selection. So therefore, finally, all the human resource management policy areas are logically linked to each other. If I take an example, based on the employee performance, those who perform above the expected level of performance are rewarded. As a result of performance management, if you identify some of your employees their performance is below the expected level, they are sent for further training. Likewise, all the human resource management policy areas are linked together. Harvard Framework. Harvard Framework, the logic of Harvard Framework is that human resource management policies should be identified based on the stakeholder interest and situational factors. For example, some of the stakeholders are shareholders, management, employees, government, and unions. So can you implement human resource policies without compliance with government rules and regulations? No, you can't. Likewise, all the stakeholder interests should be considered in the formulation of human resource policies. And also situational factors like workforce characteristics, job market situation, the unions, technology, laws and societal values. Then human resource policies are identified for the organization. Then only we can generate employee level HR outcomes like commitment, congruence, cost effectiveness, and finally we can accomplish long-term consequences such as individual well-being, organizational effectiveness, societal well-being, goal achievement, etc. So therefore, according to Harvard Framework, stakeholder interests, situational factors should be considered in the formulation of HR policies, and then we can generate employee level HR outcomes and finally long-term consequences. Next, we'll discuss new trends in human resource management. What are the new trends in human resource management? Obviously, remote working is a current trend. More focus on employee experience. Traditional organizations focus more on customer satisfaction. Here, the argument is that, like you focus on customer satisfaction, any organization should focus on employee satisfaction as well. Therefore, employees should be given a great experience in the workplace. This is called more focus on employee experience by the contemporary organizations. Increasing HR investment in technology. Some of the technology areas are artificial intelligence, extensive use of social media tools, mobile applications, gamification, cloud computing, and data analytics and HR analytics. Increasing HR investment in technology, artificial intelligence, human resource information systems. For example, now when we check the background of our applicants, we can use the artificial intelligence. Data-driven HR. So whatever the HR decision is made based on the data. This is called HR, human resource management based on data. So therefore, contemporary human resource managers make their HR decisions based on the data. More focus on business strategy. Today, human resource management policies are aligned with overall organizational goals and objectives. This focus is called more focus on business strategy. Workforce demographics and diversity trends. Aging population, multi-generational workplace, more women's participation, more diverse workforce are some of the demographic trends we can see in the current environment. When it comes to multiple generations at work, baby boomers, Generation X, millennials, and Z generation employees are there in the organizations. Trends in jobs people do. Today, on-demand contract workers in the gig economy. So therefore, lots of jobs are contract jobs. Work has shifted from manufacturing to service. So therefore, we can see more more service sector employment than the manufacturing sector. More jobs are becoming high-tech. And also sustainability. In managing organizations, in managing people, the human resource professionals consider the sustainability aspect. Companies' efforts should be sustainable, not just on profits, but also on their environmental and societal performance. More concern on ethics. How HR managers promote ethics and fair treatment, fairness, quality, team spirit, honesty. So therefore, today HR professionals are supposed to be more concerned on ethics in managing human resources. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you very much.